There with that washer, I didn't want to drop. I may have to reverse this wire. Or then again, maybe not. Yeah, I think this thing might have to be reversed. This little wire ticky. I don't know if that's doable or not, but I might have to. Might have to take the carburetor off to do it, I don't know. Yeah, maybe I need to take the carburetor off. I think I do. I'm going to put that on there and then put it back on. It ain't that hard to get off now that I got my wrenches cut down. See, the reason I had to take that back off is because this little wire thingy needs to go on from up under here, if that's possible. I don't see how it's possible, even with it off. It's that odd. Came off of there. Should go back on there. Maybe you can run it through. Maybe I have to take this off to get to it from there. I can do that too. Ain't too many things I can't do if I set my mind to it. Now, what I'm going to try to do is to slip that bowl out of the way. Slip this in from this side. There's got to be a way. It came off of there. Maybe that's why Butch said he saw a YouTube guy take this shaft out. Right here. Maybe that's why he took it out. Might be what you have to do to get it on there. When you're working on the carburetor, to get into a situation where you can't figure out how all the little things go back on there. And this is how this one goes back on there. This crooked piece of wire runs on the outside, and this goes up, and this bolt goes through there, and it works like that. And that was very difficult for me to wrap my brain around while I was trying to put this together, because I was thinking this thing laid over the other way, which it doesn't. Now, to get this back together, I've got to take this off to get that bolt on there and then put it back on. But what I want to do is kind of take it off and lay it forward, put the bolt on there and lay it back on, because it's pretty difficult to get it all in place. Nail lay it here. Let me go through that.